This is a tutorial on how to set up your paper with the font style and size that is in compliance with APA format style. When you're using Microsoft Word, the default font is generally Calibri and the font size is 11. And APA format requires Times New Roman in size 12. So we want to change that whenever you are typing a paper that needs to be in APA format. There are two ways to change that. One is up on the toolbar where you can see a simple drop-down menu and you can look for Times New Roman. Also a drop-down for the font size, and you would change that to 12. Another way that you can do that is with a font tab, using the drop-down menu. Again, look for your Times New Roman, choose 12, and click OK. So now when you type your paper, it will be in Times New Roman font. Another shortcut that you can use to save you time on the next paper is to set this style and size of the font to the default setting. And to do that, you're going to need to go to the Font tab using the drop-down, and at the bottom of the dialog box, click Set as Default, and choose All Documents, and then OK. And this way, not only will you find that the Times New Roman is the font style, and 12 point is the size. But if you were to go to a new document, you would see that it is maintaining those choices. And so again, you have Times New Roman 12 point font. Very simple procedure to change your font and size so that it complies with APA format.